Good morning, boys and girls. I took a look at some of your iReady lessons and I noticed that some of us are having difficulty with our volume questions. Remember that our volume formula is length times width times height. If they give you a solid figure and they want you to use the numbers given, you have to label the length, the width, and the height, and then use the formula to calculate the final volume. Sometimes they're giving you something called the base area, which we went over weeks ago. So I know it's probably not fresh in your head and it can be a little confusing. When they say base area, all they mean is that they've already calculated the length times width for you, okay? Because it's the base. So they did the length times the width already. If they tell you the base area is 24, they've already calculated that base, okay? So the length and the width only. And they say it's 24, okay? What we would need to do then is use our volume formula to plug in our numbers. So we know our base volume, height, length, and width would be 24. We're just going to plug that in. And then if they tell us that the height is 8, we would then plug in our 8 for our height. Okay, so we're used to having 3 different numbers, the length, the width, and the height. Sometimes they'll give you the base area, which is already the length and width together combined. I noticed some of the other questions they're giving you is they're giving you 4 different shapes with the cubes. They want you to calculate all 4 shapes to see which one has the greatest volume. Those questions, you're going to have to do the work for all 4 of the shapes to figure out which one has the greatest volume, okay? If you have any questions, please email me, and I'm going to take a look at some of your other lessons to see how I can help you in the future. Have a great day, guys.